So by using our high-speed machine, and then you could save a lot of time, and you already got many pieces of land. The really important thing is that this one, our pencil machine could cut many materials. And this one, SKD61, is actually a very hard material, which is very difficult to cut. But by our machine, it only takes around like 18 minutes.
18 minutes, 20 seconds.
Yeah, to finish the cutting. Because maybe for the traditional one, it could take already like 1 hour to do this kind of thing.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों मैं हूं आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त हम आप देख रहे हैं इंजीनियर ऑन रोड। दोस्तों जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि हम लोग आप सबको लेकर आ गए हैं ताइवान मशीन टूल शो 2024 में। काफ़ी सारी कंपनियों ने यहां पर स्टॉल लगाया हुआ है और अभी मैं आपको लेकर आ गया हूं एक ऐसे कंपनी के स्टॉल पर जो मैन्युफैक्चरर है हाई स्पीड बैंड्स ऑफ मशीन्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप के मशीन सेंटर के मैन्युफैक्चरर है। और आज इन्हीं से बात करने वाले हैं। अगर आपको इन प्रोडक्ट्स की नीड है या इस तरह के बिजनेस में आप आना चाहते हैं, वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। So hello ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, doing quite good. Actually, we were quite excited to be in this exhibition to meet the new friends and also the old customer.
Yes. So can you introduce yourself and about your company?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Carol, and I'm now in charge of the Indian market at the moment.
Yes.
And then we are the company. Our company name is called GENTIGER Machinery from Taiwan. So actually, we already have like 20 years old experience, specialized for manufacturing the vertical machining center. And until last year in 2023, we also start our new pencil machine category. Our strength of the machines is mainly to design, the double column type machine.
Okay.
So this one is very strong to again the anti-vibration issue. So the good advantage of our machine is like it could stay much more longer without the maintenance issue. So at the same time, it could still keep a very good accuracy. That's the best advantage of our company.
Okay.
Yes.
So where is your manufacturing facilities and office?
Yeah. So our company is located in Taichung. So it's in the middle part of Taiwan. So we have the factory there. So our company manufacture all the machine by our own self.
Here you are showcasing a lot of machineries and you are showcasing your state-of-the-art machine. Can you introduce this machine to our customers?
Sure.
Viewers?
So you could see this machine. We also use the double column structure. And then here you can see we use with the APC system, auto pallet changer system. So with the auto pallet changer system, it's more easily to change to save the time of the material change issue. So later on, actually in another side, you will see the material change, and so you can see here is with the robot arm, and then to show how we change each raw material. So there's gonna be a rubber arm to put up the table and then to change the table to the next one. So it will greatly reduce the changing time of the workpiece of each time. And then because as I just mentioned, we are very professional in design the double column structure. So it could make sure our machine could be used for example, automotive industry, medical, semiconductor, and even aerospace, which is really getting more popular in, I think, in India. Yeah.
This product are machined on your machines.
By our
so
own
it's a perfectly machined surface is very clean.
Yes. So for the good advantage of our machine is like we don't need the extra polishing process. Maybe for some machine, they still need to spend extra time to do the polishing. But for our machine, there won't be this kind of issue. So I think that's also a very important thing for the customer. So they save the time to manufacture the new machine, to use another machine to manufacture a new workpiece.
So you are working on this software. Is this software?
This one is for you to save the power, like to show how the three phase of the powers works, and this one is the three phase of the power, and the middle one is the average of the power. So it's how to say, to let you know how much power you could save during this kind of system.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's a power saver machine. Save
It's
a lot of
demonstrator to let you know how much power it costs,
Okay, okay.
like this.
So
yes.
it's a vertical axis machine, vertical.
Yes, it's a vertical machining center. That's what we are focusing on for our machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which type of industry can be used?
A lot. For example, aerospace, which I just mentioned, is getting more popular in India.
Yes.
Yes, and then also the automobile industry. Because, for example, we have sold a lot of machines to the automobile customers, and also semiconductor company. Maybe they start with doing some machining process. They will also need our machines. Yes.
So which type of controller you are using?
For our 5-axis machine,
Yes, yes.
one of the very important thing,
Yes, yes.
one of the very important thing is that for our machine, 5-axis machine, we could choose Siemens or Heidenhain. But for our 3-axis machine, you could also choose not only these two brands, but also Fanuc and also Mitsubishi. Yes.
So is it complex or
Yes.
easy to use?
Yeah. Maybe because of some European, maybe they are more interested in the European brand, and maybe some other customers they are more familiar with the Japanese brand.
Okay.
Yes.
So here is you are showcasing Autodesk Gold Partner.
Yes.
Autodesk Power Mill.
Yes. So this kind of is Power Mill is the programming system, and then to teach you how to to let you do the programming. So the good advantage of our GENTIGER company is that when you don't really know how to fix the issue of the programming, and our company could also give you some advice. Like in this case, that's why we have our customer really like us, because we don't only offer you the machine, we also give you some solutions. Right?
So what type of certification do you have?
Certificates, for example, like CE certification is very important for the European country, and there are also different kind of requirement in different country. So it depends on each country what do they need. Like for sure, everyone pass the ISO, so I think it's kind of like a basic one, and then it depends on your requirements to meet the standard. Yes.
Yes. So here is your next machine.
Okay, so as I just mentioned, we are a company specialized in manufacturing the BMC machine. So we already have almost 29 years old experience until
29 years old?
Yes.
Wow.
So since 1995. So until this year is 2024, right? So 29 year experience. So after that, we decide to develop the new category of the machine. So this one is the machine which was just launched last year in 2023. So what we got is like there was a dealer who already sold the machine for 60 years experience in the UK. And after they saw our machine, they were so impressed about this performance, because the high cutting speed and also the high accuracy and also the whole structure and then very rigid is also a key points to get their orders. Yeah.
And very safe to work here. So what are the safety features in this machine?
So you can see it from here. There's a place which you could fold it, and then before, if you don't use it, then you could protect your hands to how the operator may use their hand to push it in. Then it's gonna be dangerous. So that's how we work it. So this one you only need to open it when you change the saw blade. Otherwise, they won't be needed. You won't need to fold it. That's how we do the protection. And at the front side, there gonna be a protective cover to make sure the cutting process, the strip won't spread into the operation side.
Okay, yes.
The really important thing is that this one, our pencil machine could cut many materials. And this one, SKD61, is actually a very hard material, which is very difficult to cut. But by our machine, it only takes around like 18 minutes.
18 minutes, 20 seconds.
Yeah,
Okay.
to finish the cutting. Because maybe for the traditional one, it could take already like 1 hour to do this kind of thing. So by using our high-speed machine, and then you could save a lot of time, and you already got many pieces of land.
It's a diameter of?
Yeah, it's the diameter. 402 millimeter is the diameter, and actually at the first size of the cutting difference is only 0.05 millimeter. So that's very impressive number actually to the pencil machine. Yes. Mhm.
So what type of saw you are using in this?
Okay, at the moment we use carbide saw blade, and it's a company from Germany, Holzberg, and then it depends. Sometimes it also depends on the customer need. Maybe they don't need when they don't need such a very high performance. They could
So it
find.
depends upon you and on your requirement. If you have requirement, then you can.
Carbide is the best performance, which could make sure a very shiny surface and very high performance. But another option, for example, bimetal is also an option if you are thinking for another solution.
Okay. So there is a water coolant required.
Yes. So you can see for the water coolant, it's make sure like to remove the cheese on the saw blade, and then even here, there a steel brush inside. Normally people only have one set, but we have two sets to make sure the chip could be flushed away much more clean. Yeah, that's a advantage. And also downstairs, the chip flushing system is also very important to make sure the chip could go away easily. Because maybe some people later, should we go to the back side? I show you something.
Come here.
As I just mentioned, the chip flushing system is very good design of our machines. So even the chips could slowly go to this chip conveyor, and then the chips will come to here. Because maybe some other brands they don't use this kind of system. So that's the big advantage. You accept the time of the chip removing issue. And
So
also,
here you are using rollers to roll.
The roller is designed in one pieces. So the good thing, maybe some people they have some space, they don't use the one piece roller, so they still need to push. But by this one, you could easily push because of the rolling. It's designed in one pieces, and if you need a longer version, then you could still add the extra roller at the back side.
So what will be the power consumption of this machine?
So for cutting each pieces, it will take around only 2 kWh. So that's a very low power consumption for the machines, for the pencil.
Yes.
And then even here, there's a power saving demonstrator, which you can see how much current or how much total kilowatts it is at the moment. So it could show you it's very low power consumption during the cutting processing.
So here is a controller. You can control everything from here. Okay.
That's how this control system actually is very unique compared to many other brands, because they don't, maybe you could see here is from Siemens. So maybe some other brand, they don't use Siemens. So they use the more traditional one. So, but the good thing to use Siemens controller is like here, you could build your material list to show you, and then here, you can see here the dips, and then when you are cutting, it will show how much you cut at the moment. Not only to show you, and also the speed of the cutting, and also the remove rate. And also, for example, we have the bikes which could clamp the raw material, so it could detect the width, the diameter of the raw material. So the good thing about it is maybe when you put something wrong value, you could still measure the right value after putting. You will show automatically.
So there are a lot of machineries you have. So if we talk about the business, do you have a dealer and distributor in India?
At the moment we have some distributor in India. But India is quite a big country, right? So we are still looking for some opportunity to have the chance to work with more potential dealer at the moment. Yes.
Right now, have any dealer in India?
Yes, we already have some dealers. So normally
you are looking for more dealer in India.
And also to spread to more customers to let them know our machines. So I believe through your channel, you're gonna spread to more customers to let them have an idea of our company first.
If anyone wants to do business, this type of business, they have to contact you.
Yes.
If anyone wants to directly import from you, can they?
You mean the end user, right?
Yeah.
Normally, we would suggest you to work with the dealer because
Okay.
maybe the end user, you don't have such a good background knowledge about the machines.
Okay.
So when you have some issue of the machine, you don't know how to fix it. But you know, we are very far. We are in Taiwan, so we prefer to suggest you a dealer to work with to provide you a very in-time service support.
Okay, so you have to contact to Indian dealer and distributor so
Yes.
that they will provide you warranty service after
Yes.
service on
Yes,
time.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
What will be the warranty policies and after sales services?
Okay, so normally our machine warranty is the basic one is around like 1 year, and then but some customer maybe they will look for the 2 years warranty. Then it would be an option for the further discussion.
Is there any special condition? Yeah, you have to talk to you.
Yeah, as I just mentioned, at the moment our company is still open for the Indian market to accept new dealers. So if they are interested to work with us, they could contact us first. Then we will also do the evaluation by internally to see if it is suitable because maybe some area already some dealer, so maybe it's not really suitable, right?
If anyone wants to connect with you, how can they contact with you?
Okay, so we have different ways to contact us. So the first one is through our website, and then the second one by YouTube. You also see a lot of video, and also by Facebook.
Can you show your card where
Sure.
website is available?
Here in this card, my name is Carol. I'm in charge of the Indian market at the moment. But at the same time, you will see a website on my name card is how you could get in touch with us. And then in this name card, there's also the contact information about my WhatsApp number and also my email address in this name card.
And
Yes.
at last, what do you want to say about your company and about your product to Indian consumer?
Yeah, so definitely because we have so many experience, so many years experience in this company, in this industry, so they could definitely trust our professional. And then at the same time, the accuracy, and because some customer maybe they just at first they consider about the price, but they don't think for a long term. So our advantage of the machine is that it could keep the very good accuracy for a really longer term. So that's a very important point for a longer future. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.